Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find your Blue weekly proof of activity. I'm going to show you what is the meaning of Blue weekly proof of activity or your Blue weekly of activity task, where you can see it. And for you to qualify, one of the main things for you to do is for you to perform the Blue weekly of activities. Many have been wondering where is the Blue weekly of activity. They've opened their Blue and there is nothing of such. They've opened their Blum and they can't find anything like that or perform it and the rest of it. And you know, one of the criteria for you to be eligible for the Blum Airdrop, you must have the minimum of 100k BP, which is your Blum points, and the minimum of 750 MP, which is your me points, or PoA, which is the proof of activities completed. So I'm going to show you where you can find it and the minimum of 2 referrals. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let me take you over to my Blum mining app so you can see where it is. Over here, you're going to see in. Look at in over here. You have to go over to in. Let me go over to in right away, and you're going to see weekly. So this is where your weekly of activity is, which is your proof of activity, your Blum weekly proof of activities. Every week you have to perform each transaction. You have to do that at least once in a week. You have to perform this. You must complete a set of this 1 week for you to be qualified for the airdrop. If you have completed it, so if you have completed this already, it means that you are qualified for the airdrop. Yes, so you have not completed this at all, or you just do some and you leave some of them. You have to start now and go over to it and start playing each and every one of them throughout this week to the next week. You can see I've even started playing some. For some of you that have not completed it, you have to do that. And this is how you can find your weekly proof of activities. And look at this one at the upside here. You have to also play this one. You have to also perform this also, yeah, and the rest. You just have to find a way for you to do this, for you to just complete it at least a week. You know that you, at least this month now, you know that you've completed the weekly proof of activity. I've gone through some of them and I'm still going through, and all this verify here is for you to go over to YouTube and you're going to put the keywords there. There are a lot of it. I've done some, I've watched some. There is a lot of it here. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time.